On this video, I will reproduce the style of Robert Pattinson in his role as a Batman. Roll the tape! On this video, I will use exclusively the French technique. I will start by cutting the perimeter on the sides, just about the lobe of the ear. To execute a large format cutting, 7-inch blades will help you out to get a straighter line with less cuts. I will repeat the same technique on the other side. To create the graduation on the back area, I will follow the white line that I create on the side. This particular hairstyle requires a little bit more hair on the back, so it is not necessary to do an undercut. I will continue the same graduation line on the crest area using vertical section and the French technique. Follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to be doing next and to see some videos on the behind the scenes. Let me know in the comments how you like this movie. If I was going to do one of the Spider-Man looks, which one would you like? To finish the graduation on the nape area, I will continue the same graduation line, cutting from the right to the left. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. It makes the biggest difference. Finish the perimeter on the nape area with a solid line. Paste from 1821 will be ideal to blow dry this style with natural volume and movement. This style has to be touchable. You can let it air dry for a natural finish or use the brush to get it more polished. If your hair is wavy, it will look different, but it will look great too. Just leave it and leave it longer. I will retouch the interior part of this haircut when it's dry by combing the hair at 90 degrees and continue the same angle that I used for the graduation from the bottom to the top. Depending on the amount of hair that you have, you might need more or less texturizing. Texturize the sides, giving them some direction forward. This side part style is ideal for all face types. Just avoid it if you have a high forehead. This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.